Hey guys, Average Joe True North here. Been a little under the weather, but I'm going to put out a quick video today, show you what I've been working on. So still got that new mess kit in the works, but I'm going to wait a week or two on that, or a few days, who knows. Just see how I'm feeling. Still don't know what's going on, but I've been working on a campfire area so I can do some cast iron cooking and whatnot. So I'm going to show you what the area looks like so far. Still working on it. Oh, and by the way, I got a new hat, so we'll show you that. It's got a camo back. It's like a trucker hat, camo front. And then we got Yellowstone, Dutton Ranch, Montana. So pretty cool. I usually don't wear trucker style hats. They're usually kind of puffy, but this one isn't too huge. So let's go over to the campfire area that I'm working on, and then maybe I'll get a fire going as well. All right, so here's what I have so far. Got a little wall of wood, got some plum and some walnut, and we're also going to put some maple on there, and possibly another wall opposite side. So here is the fire pit area. There's a little bench right here that I put together pretty low down and solid so I can reach the stuff on the fire pit there. Then I made a couple wooden tripods, which I'm going to improve upon, but that's what we have for now. And then the bar going across between the two wooden tripod is a iron bar I found out in the barn, and so I'm probably going to improve upon the tripod, but for now that's what we got. So today, oh, and if you take a closer look at where I got the little fire grill, there is a stump under there. So that's a goal we have, is just to burn through that stump, and then we can even out the ground a little bit better. All right, I got the fire going, and I'm gonna burn this for at least a few hours, and it'll probably take me at least a few days to get this stump done. But it is a lot cooler outside than it is inside the house, because we don't have AC, and it's as far as Fahrenheit, it's in the 70s, and as far as Celsius, it's in the 20s. So plan on making another wall to the left of me, and then I'm going to mount a flagpole on a real heavy log towards the back here, and start flying some of my flags. So thank you for all the well wishes. Appreciate you all, and I should be back in a few days, more or less. I'm definitely going to keep on working on this camp area, and so I'll keep you posted on how it's going. So I will talk to you all later.